Today I need to go out to the garden and replant my strawberries. I have a small strawberry patch that I'm going to try to replant into some recycled pots that are towered with water that I can water from the top. Strawberries, if they are allowed to lay on the ground, they rot and you can't use them. Also, squirrels and different little animals can get to them. So hopefully with me putting them in this tower, they will do better. So I need to put on my shoes and then walk out to the garden and see if this works. I've seen this tower made with terracotta pots. I like to recycle, so I'm going to use some of my planters that other plants came in and they're plastic. I don't know how that's going to work, but let's give it a shot. So come along with me as I work in my garden today.
Here's my little strawberry patch. It's pretty pitiful, but hopefully I can change that. So I'm going to begin by digging up the strawberries. I had these two big flower pots that I put potatoes in, so I'm going to use those as the base of my strawberry tower. To fill the pots, I just use the dirt from my garden. I add compost to my garden beds, as well as raising rabbits for their droppings to add in my garden. So the soil is rich in nitrogen and other organic compounds, which makes it perfect for growing strawberries. Used a piece of rebarb down the middle of the pots to hold them in place. After filling the pots with soil, it was time to plant my strawberries. hope this video has inspired you to reuse something that may have been thrown away and forgotten.